Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Wok with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Well, if you'd like to get kids to eat more vegetables, this dish might be it. In this video, I'm going to show you how you make a slight change that will make a fried rice attractive to children. This change actually is very simple by adding some hot dog to the fried rice. Once you tell the children there are hot dogs in the fried rice, they probably will eat anything else that to go with it. This turned out to be an important way to introduce vegetable to children. Fried rice is one of the easiest dishes to make in the wok. It is a lot of fun to make. You just want to make sure that the wok is well seasoned. And let me tell you a couple of secrets how to make sure that your fried rice turn out right. First and foremost, your rice must be dried. And what I mean by dry is that make sure that rice is not freshly cooked, and also that it has been stored in the refrigerator for at least 24 hours. And the second secret is that make sure you use long grain rice. And to help yourself to break up the rice easier, use something called a hamburger meat chopper. And this little gadget really helps to break up the rice. If you only use the wok spatula to break up the rice, it could be a little bit messy and sometimes tricky. Eggs often seems to be an essential part of fried rice, but you don't always have to add egg. Clearly, if you make a vegan fried rice, you can omit the eggs. For this fried rice, I'm going to fry the egg directly in the middle of the wok. I often use this method if I want the egg to blend well into the rice. This method is also highly efficient, particularly when I am short of time. And by clearing this space in the middle of the wok, I can use the wok as like a small frying pan. I break up the egg yolk and scramble it till it's about 50% done. And then I mix the egg together with the rice. Another important secret I want to tell you to make good fried rice is to make sure that the rice do not stick to the bottom of the wok. If start to stick, then use your wok spatula to scrape them off. Okay, now I'm ready to add other ingredients to the fried rice. The first ingredients I'm going to add is some chopped cabbage. You may say, why chopped cabbage? Actually, chopped cabbage turned out to be excellent for fried rice. First of all, it gives a nice crunch to the fried rice. And secondly, the flavor really adds to the fried rice. And next, I'm going to clear some space in the middle of the wok and add a little bit of cooking oil. I'm going to use the space to fry the 2 thinly sliced turkey franks. In fact, you can use any type of hot dogs that you have available on hand. The turkey frank is what I have. After stir frying the turkey franks for about 30 seconds, I mix it into the rice. I took the frozen corns directly out of the freezer before adding them to the wok. I find that it is not necessary to thaw out the corn in advance because while stir frying in the wok, it will warm it up. I would strongly recommend you to use sweet corn because it adds a wonderful flavor to the fried rice. With the cabbage, hot dog, and corn, this fried rice already has some great natural flavor. For me, I'm going to season the fried rice with a mix that I put together. I call it the basic seasoning mix. Basically, it is different seasoning agents that I draw from my masala dabur, and the ingredients is as shown here. You can use different combinations of these ingredients based on your personal taste preference. Okay, so far so good. The fried rice is coming along really nicely. And next, I found some chopped onions in the refrigerator, and I decided some onion will enhance the flavor of the fried rice. As I constantly refine the flavor of this fried rice, and I call this process flavor chasing. To me, this is the wonderful thing about stir frying is that you can constantly adjust the flavor of your dish. And finally, I decided I'm going to add some oyster sauce to the fried rice. By this point, the fried rice is actually done, but I want it to look better, so I'm going to first add some shredded carrots. This is followed by some chopped scallions. With the amount that I have added to the fried rice, you probably would not be able to taste either of them. However, you definitely will notice them visually because they make the fried rice more interesting and colorful. This fried rice is a lot of fun to make. and it takes very little time. It's only about 6 to 7 minutes. To make sure that you have a successful outcome in making this fried rice, first of all, make sure that your wok is well seasoned. Secondly, always use long grain rice. And third is to cook the rice in advance and store the rice in the refrigerator for at least 24 hours to dry them out before you use them to make the fried rice. And last but not the least, make sure you use your wok spatula to scrape off any rice that might have stuck to the bottom of the wok. By using this basic template, you can make any kind of fried rice that you would like. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe and share. See you next time.